Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we are going to be working on the side tables. Finally, at last. These are Lane side tables. I believe they come from the Acclaimed series. These are kind of sought after, mid-century modern. They're really cool. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well right here I got some hot water with bleach in it. First I want to get just the funk that is on these off. Absolutely disgusting. I don't know where these were sitting, but they are pretty nasty. It's got like hunks of food and moldy nastiness. Don't really know if it's mold. Just absolutely disgusting. Look at a funk on the rag, brand new rag. Alright guys, we got them wiped down for the first initial cleaning. We're going to go over it with some scrub and bubbles, and we are going to try and get all the funk off of these. Yeah, this varnish is real damaged. Come on. All right. So I want to break this down into 4 pieces, or 2 pieces. Makes it a lot easier to clean. Makes it a lot easier to sand. The legs, the pins, that's all in good shape. They're nice and tight. They don't have to be re-glued. They don't have to be repinned. Do need to clean up a little bit of the crud that the bleach water didn't get off. Again, I'm not quite sure what this stuff is. It's pretty funky. Don't think it's mold, because it doesn't look like mold. It just looks like something was spilled on it, and then nobody cleaned it up. They just put it away. Alright, this is all dry, ready to be sanded. I got some 150 on here. We're going to try and get it down real quick. Remember to always try and stay with the grain. Alright, we are going to stain this with my go-to favorite. This is Natural 209. Those of you that are the original OGs to my channel, you guys know that this is my favorite stain, and I will show you exactly why. It's very lightly pigmented. All it's going to do is bring out the natural grain in the wood. that's about what the finish on this entire thing is going to look like. Nice, right? All right, I'll let this dry and then I'll continue sanding on the actual table itself. Hey guys, sorry about all the fan noise, but I gotta get the dust out of here. Just wanted to throw a quick coat on this, let you guys see what it looks like. How absolutely beautiful is that? Beautiful grain in the wood. The dovetail top. Look at that. Alright guys, this is all dry. We're going to throw us a quick coat of acrylic. Had a brain fart there for a minute. We're going to get us a nice coat of matte acrylic on there. Just want to seal in the color. And this is also going to aid in our finish as well. I do have the shop fans on, so it's sucking all that nastiness out. Normally I'd be coughing by now. Put our second coat on just a little bit thicker. Oh, I'm running out. That's no good. We'll let that dry up. Scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite and wax it up. Alrighty guys, a little bit of 4-aught on this. We're just going to get the bumpies off there. Just so you know, that's a technical term. The bumpies. I'm not pressing hard. I'm just letting the 4-aught do its thing. This is one of the projects that I do in the shop a lot, and I don't film a lot of it because, well, it's not that I'm searching for views, but it doesn't get a lot of plays. I mean, I get it. I'm kind of locked into being a tool channel, and but without tools, how do you do projects like this? You know, and this is what I really enjoy doing, is furniture and small engines, and this is a way for me to supplement my income from my shop, is by flipping furniture. And fantastic pieces like this, I mean, why wouldn't you want to, you know? What I like doing my first coat, I like using a 4/0 steel wool. It'll get the extra bumpies off there, and it puts down a real nice layer of wax. I've used this Minwax finishing paste on furniture ever since I started doing this, and I won't use anything else for furniture. It's Minwax and that's it. It'd be nice if Minwax would hook me up with a sponsorship. Throwing that out there, guys, just throwing it out there. Alrighty. Well, that's for the most part dry. We're going to take the bulk of this off. Towel just wants to keep rubbing, folding over on itself. I think it came out really nice. I just got to get the bottom shelf put in place, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, well, what do you think? Looks a lot better, huh? It's not all functified and disgusting. It's got a nice shine to it. The colors pop back out in it. I'm really liking it. Alright, we're just going to move on to the next one. Alright guys, well, next table, same process. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Ain't nothing changing on this. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I truly love working on furniture, just because of this. Look at the difference. Ah. So cool. Alrighty guys, well, both of the lane side tables came out absolutely awesome. I am quite happy with these. I like the contrast between the light top and the dark base. It's going to really make these pop in somebody's living room. Again, mid-century modern, these things are 70 plus years old and they're in fantastic shape. Another quality piece of furniture that we saved here at the shop, so I am real happy with this. Alrighty guys, well, it is hot, I am tired, both tables are done. I'm real happy with the outcome. I hope you guys are too. That's it for this one. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.